Number 4. MUSETEX K2. The MUSETEX K2 gaming computer case hits all the right notes for both gamers and office users. Offering a visual feast with its 270-degree fully transparent tempered glass panels, it outshines most similar models on the market. This glass panel showcases your high-end PC hardware and even those tiny cherished collectibles, sure to earn some envious nods. What sets the K2 apart is its upgradable high-speed I/O panel. Featuring 2 USB 3.0 ports and a Type-C interface, it's perfect for connecting all your latest gadgets and blazing through data transfers. Time saved means more game or project time. The reset button and audio interface round out this versatile panel, catering to every requirement from gaming to office tasks. Inside, the tower case boasts a powerful space layout. Each compartment is cleverly designed for hassle-free installation, accommodating GPUs up to 420mm CPU coolers up to 178mm, and even top-mounting 360mm liquid radiators. This means your hardware options are virtually limitless. One standout feature is the innovative air duct design. Side openings and pre-installed fans efficiently manage heat, maintaining optimum performance. The magnetic dust filters? Your best defense against dust accumulation, ensuring longevity for your components. What we love the most is the dual tempered glass panels. Tough yet elegant, these provide excellent sound insulation, making this case perfect for quiet work environments and immersive gaming sessions. While the K2 does offer significant benefits, the size could be a tad overwhelming for smaller desks. But with its unmatched visibility and functionality, it's a minor trade-off. In summary, the MUSETEX K2 offers excellent value and versatility, making it a top contender for your next PC build. Check out this powerhouse case. You won't be disappointed. Still searching for the perfect budget PC case? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.